Is Cinchbucks a great place to earn free gift cards and cash as it claims here on the front page, or is it just a site that is basically a waste of time? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and I have joined and tested Cinchbucks myself for quite a while, and in this Cinchbucks review I will give you an inside look and show you exactly how it works so you can easily find out if it will be worth it for you or not. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites and service sites. I have now logged into Cinchbucks, and let me just start by saying it is actually a legit get paid to sites and you have quite a few ways to earn here. But I must also say that after having tested and been a member for quite a while, that there are some pretty good things about it and there's some things I really don't like about it, and I'll show you both in this review so you can see and judge for yourself. But overall it's okay to navigate here, not the most user-friendly site but also not too difficult. Basically you can navigate over here in the left menu and find the different options, and one of the big ways to earn here is the offer walls. You can see which ones they offer here, and it's basically like most other get paid to sites. You can find some paid service here. You can find different offers here. You can see where you sign up for some sites, some surveys, poke quiz where you earn some CBs like Cinchbucks, and I will get into later how much they are actually worth. So there are plenty of options here. Some of them are good, but some of them also not so good. So just make sure to read the conditions for each offer before taking it. But that's one way of earning here, that's the offer walls. On Cinchbucks you can also find a whole section here with paid surveys, and at first you just have to be aware up here they have like 4 different names as of recording this review, and that means like these ones are survey routers. That means that's external sites, so when you click you're taken to a different site and take the survey there, and which one of the routers that has any service available will depend on where you live. For example, the one called Your Service has quite a lot of them available for me, but if I go to this one, the Synth one here, it doesn't have any, and the Pure Spectrum also doesn't have any for me. But what is good that you can easily see approximately how long it will take and how many Cinchbucks you will get. Time rewards in relation to time for these Your Service, it's definitely not the highest I have seen, because it here depends on the time. So for some like this one here gives very good value compared to many other sites, but the lower ones like 15 Cinchbucks, you can do better than that on other get paid to sites, but some a little bit higher, some a little bit lower, but depending on where you live it does have quite a good amount of paid surveys. Just be aware you will not qualify for all of them, so just because I have this long list here doesn't mean I will qualify for all of them. I definitely will not. That's just how it is on most service sites, and in particularly get paid to sites that uses these routers. Sometimes it can take quite a bit of patience to find the service you actually qualify for. Cinchbucks also has a whole section called Play Game, and when I click it, as you can see, a whole new screen opens up. The thing is, there's no information on the site about the rewards for this, so from that I can only conclude that you actually don't get paid. It's more for fun, because if you get paid for it, it should clearly state that, and it doesn't. Even when I click here, it just starts like say I can play the game. So this is not really a great way to earn, but if you like playing small little online games, there are definitely a lot to spend your time on here, and it can of course be fun, but not really a way to earn here on Cinchbucks. You can also earn by watching videos. I have clicked over here and you get basically just the option here. It's basically the same if you have joined other get paid to sites. The reward for the videos is more or less the exact same as most others. There is quite a lot of different videos you can watch about different topics. The rewards for this, again, that's nothing to do with Cinchbucks, but for watching the videos in general, they're very low because you have to usually watch 3 videos including ads to get this reward. So you have to watch like hours and hours of videos just to earn a few dollars. So not a fast way to earn, but of course can be entertaining if you like to watch these videos about certain topics anyways. I have now clicked here the cashback option, and you get a few opportunities here. If you don't know cashback, it's on most get paid to sites that has a cashback option, is where you shop online, and if you spend money there, you get a certain percentage or reward into your account. In this case, your Cinchbucks account. So if you regularly shop online, anyways, it can usually be a good way to get some money back. However, the cashback option is really the thing I like the least about Cinchbucks, because it is very poor compared to other. There are like sites like, for example, Swagbucks, one of the most known get paid to sites, where you can get, get paid to or cashback on like hundreds of online stores, and there are many get paid to sites that offer these great cashback options for stores that you usually shop in anyways, but here it has very few options, and it's like mostly towards like if you have websites and stuff like that, like this is website hosting, and for example this SEMrush, it's a keyword research tool among others for if you work like with websites, and you get 1,000 Cinchbucks. It's equivalent of $10, but SEMrush, actually the lowest price for that is $100 per month, and it goes all the way up to $400 per month. So it's not really relevant for most people that join get paid to sites, unless you very specifically work with website hosting or other things like that. So this section is not really good option in my opinion as it is. Then there are get paid to sites with way better opportunities. Overall, you can definitely earn on Cinchbucks, and you can see up here I have currently in my account I have 1,882 Cinchbucks, and this is equivalent of almost $19. 1,000 Cinchbucks is worth $10, so that means like 1 point is basically, or 1 Cinchbucks is basically worth 1 cent US dollars. So then you kind of can figure out how much you get for the different points. But you of course also need to know how you can get your earnings out. And I think that they actually have quite good opportunities, as you can see here. These are the reward options, and it has Amazon gift cards, PayPal, eBay, Flipkart, and Walmart, Target, different things, Paytm. So it has some quite good options and a lot to choose from. And the payout threshold, you can see if you click here, you have to open up in a new screen, and then you have to click it again. It's a little bit takes a little bit a few clicks, but that's okay. You can see the lowest one is $10, so that's the payout threshold. Once you've earned $10, you can withdraw your money, and that's that's fairly decent low payout threshold, and it doesn't take too long to reach, even though the rewards are not necessarily the highest tiers, but it's definitely reachable because the threshold is so low, and it has good rewards no matter where you live, because you can join Cinchbucks from all countries more or less, and you can see that there are rewards that are relevant for most countries, and definitely PayPal Cash is relevant basically no matter where you live. So now you know exactly how to use Cinchbucks and exactly what it offers, and can easily see if it will actually be worth it for you or not. In my opinion, Cinchbucks can be a decent get paid to sites to join. I do not think it is one of the absolute top get paid to sites. It is legit, and you can earn decent rewards here. It has low payout threshold, available worldwide. Some of the things are not the best here compared to others, but definitely legit. And in some countries it has some pretty good ways to earn. So now you can definitely decide if it's a site you want to join or not, and if you want to know even more details before joining, you can also check out the full review on my website, paidfromservice.com. I will leave a link below this video, so check that out if you want to know more. If you want to know more about other service sites, check out other videos and tutorials I have here on my YouTube channel, and also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites and service sites.